Hello, this is Paul Rajczak of Sunshine Profits, and I'm the author of Stock Trading Alerts. Let's take a look at today's stock market charts as an addition to today's stock trading alert. And the first chart is the S&P 500 index, the daily chart. We can see that the index almost reached the new record high on Friday, but it reversed its intraday uptrend and it closed 0.1% lower. So the market got back to 4700 level again, and we can see that the resistance level remains at 4700, 4720. For now it looks like a consolidation within an short-term uptrend, or it may be a short-term topping pattern, but there have been no confirmed negative signals so far. Now let's move to the Nasdaq 100, the technology stock index, and it reached the new record high on Friday. It gained 0.6%, almost 0.6%, after breaking above the resistance level of 16,400. It accelerated above its short-term upward trend line here. So the market was led by the mega cap tech stocks breakout to new record highs. We have seen a new record highs in Apple, Microsoft, or NVDA. For now, it looks like a short-term consolidation, intraday consolidation. Fridays was just an intraday consolidation at the new record high level. But we also can see the negative technical divergences, but it's a weak sell signal so far. Now let's move to the blue chip index, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and we can see that the index is relatively very weak, and the banking sector and the oil sector is driving it lower. It lost 0.8% on Friday. And it retraced almost all of its advance from the late October here, the consolidation in the late October. The potential support level is here at the previous local highs. It's around 35,500 level. Now let's move to some individual stock charts, and the first ones will be the tech stocks that reached new record highs, and now the Apple stock. We can see that the Apple fluctuated along the $100.50 level for almost a month, but it broke above that resistance level of around 152, 153. And the last three sessions was just a rally, straight up rally to new record highs on Thursday and Friday. On Friday it gained 1.7%, and it broke above 160 level for the first time. Now let's move to the Microsoft stock chart. And it also reached a new record high, but it just slightly extended its recent advance. It gained 0.5% on Friday. We can see some negative technical divergences here, but it is not a clear sell signal so far. Another record-breaking tech stock is the NVDA. And it reached the new record high on Friday. It gained more than 4% after breaking above its previous local high of around 320, and it closed at almost 330, and the new record high is at 330.9. So there is a strong upward momentum here, despite breaking that parabolic pattern here that took place in October-November, in the early November. Now let's move to the weak stocks, And the first we will take a look at banking stocks and the Bank of America, BAC. Well, I said in one of the earlier videos that it may be forming a topping pattern here, and that was the case. It broke below its recent local lows, and on Friday it accelerated lower. The stock lost 2%, so it looks like a topping pattern. The stock may fluctuate along the $45 level for some time, because it is a potential support level, but the next support level is at 42.5, marked by those local lows from September and October. Another banking stock is the Morgan Stanley MS, and it also closed lower on Friday, but it managed to stay above or close to the potential support level of $96. But overall, the stock remains within a medium-term consolidation, and it just fluctuates in 96-105 zone here. Now let's move to the oil stocks, and the sell-off in oil price led to the sell-off in oil stock prices, and the first one is the ConocoPhillips COP. It broke below its short-term consolidation on Friday. It lost more than 4%. So the stock drove the blue chip index lower. The sell-off in oil stocks drove the blue chip index lower, and the Exxon lost almost 5%. So it is a breakdown below the recent local lows, and most likely a meaningful change in trend. So banking stocks and oil stocks were the opposite of the record-breaking rally in tech stocks, and the broad stock market index remained unchanged, almost unchanged. Now let's move to let's get back to the S&P 500 index chart, and as I said, the index, the broad stock market index, the S&P 500, remained basically unchanged, but the Dow Jones Industrial Average suffered losses, and the Nasdaq 100 reached the new record high. So the market is very divided internally, and we'll see if that kind of a rotation will lead to a medium-term top in the market, or will it just end up a consolidation before another leg up for the broad stock market. Today, the S&P 500 index is expected to open 0.4% higher. So we may see another attempt at reaching the new record high, but we may see some more uncertainty, and most likely it will be just an intraday consolidation, just like Fridays and Thursdays. That's everything I have for you today in the video. Thanks for watching, and just to remind, this is not a trading recommendation or an advice. It is just a general opinion of an author. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.